Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. One evening, a man called his wife from work. Honey, I have great news. My boss and some friends are going on a fishing trip in Canada, and they invited me. We'll be gone for a whole week. This is my chance to get that promotion I've been hoping for. His wife listened carefully as he continued. Please pack enough clothes for a week and get my fishing rod and tackle box ready. Oh, and don't forget to pack my new blue silk pajamas. We're leaving straight from the office, so I'll stop by quickly to grab my things. The wife felt something wasn't right. This sounded a little strange, she thought. But being a good wife, she did exactly what he asked. She packed his suitcase with his clothes. And, of course, she made sure his blue silk pajamas were packed too. A week later, the husband came back home. He looked a little tired but happy. His wife smiled and asked, "Welcome back. So, how was the trip? Did you catch a lot of fish?" He grinned and said, "Oh, yes. We caught lots of salmon, some bluegill, and even a few swordfish." Then he suddenly frowned and asked, "But honey, why didn't you pack my blue silk pajamas like I told you to?" The wife smiled sweetly and said, "Oh, but I did. They're in your fishing box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.